Good morning all of you. Today we are going to start new chapter 16, lines, angles and shapes. Let me introduce you with this chapter. First of all, what are these called? यहाँ मैंने कुछ dots बनाए हैं and A, B, C लिखा है. What are these called? Yes, these are called as points. And we represent points with the capital letter of English alphabet. Now our topic is lines. Now what are lines? We all know. हम lines इस तरह से बनाते हैं. If I denote 2 points over here, that is A and B. Now this is called as straight line. Now what is a straight line? A straight line which has no ending point. See, यहाँ कोई भी ending point नहीं है. There are 2 points A and B, but these are not ending points because we can extend straight line on both the sides. हम किसी भी line को दोनों side से extend कर सकते हैं. This arrow shows कि हम इन line को दोनों side से extend कर सकते हैं. So the property of a straight line is we can extend this line on both the direction. दोनों directions में आप क्या कर सकते हो, इसे extend कर सकते हो. And which has no end point, जिसके कोई भी end points नहीं होते. Now if I take 2 points and join these points P and Q. These points are P and Q. Now what is it? This is called as line segment. What it is? Line segment. So line segment is short part of the straight line. Now the property of line segment is which has 2 end points. Now see, इन्हें हम दोनों डायरेक्शन में एक्सटेंड नहीं कर सकते हैं. So which has 2 end points and which has fixed length. इसकी लेंथ क्या होगी? फिक्स्ड होगी. And what if I make 2 points, that is M and N, and एक साइड से मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, इसको एक्सटेंड कर रही हूँ. Now this is called as ray. रे में क्या होगा? रे में आपका एक फिक्स्ड पॉइंट होगा, एक एंड पॉइंट होगा एंड द अदर पॉइंट कैन बी एक्सटेंडेड. दूसरे साइड को आप क्या कर सकते हो, एक्सटेंड कर सकते हो. Either you can take this side or this side. So this is called as ray. Now how do we represent line, straight line, line segment and ray? So here it is. We'll denote the straight line as AB and the symbol for line is this, जिसमें 2 arrows आएंगे. Next we denote line segment as PQ and the symbol for line segment is only the single line over this PQ. Then for ray it is MN and the symbol for ray is this, because हम इसे एक ही डायरेक्शन में एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं, अदर डायरेक्शन में ये एक्सटेंड नहीं होगा. Now look into your book in exercise 16A. Question number 1 is look at the figures and filling the blanks. Now इसमें जो A, B, C part जो है that is related to line segment, straight line and ray. You have to answer what is AB here, what is PQ here and what is MN here. Then from D to I parts on page number 128, in this one you have to count all the line segments. सारे लाइन सेगमेंट्स आपको काउंट करने हैं एंड ये जो बॉक्स आपको दे रखा है, इस बॉक्स में आपको वो लाइन सेगमेंट काउंट करके लिखने हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन डी पार्ट देयर इज अ ट्राइंगल. सो अ ट्राइंगल हैज 1, 2, 3 line segment. So you will write in this box 3. Similarly in F part is made like this and it has 1, 2, 3 and 4 line segments. So you will write 4 in that box. Similarly you have to do all the sums in your book only. Then in question number 2 you have to match that which has 2 end points, 1 end point and no end points. So according to line segment, line and ray you will match in A and B part. Then in question number 3, how many line segments can be drawn by joining the points? Write their names in your notebook. So you don't have to write the names in your notebook. You just have to join the lines and count them. How many line segments have you drawn by joining the points? So for example, in A part, A and B को जब हम join करेंगे, we'll get only one line segment. So you will write 1 in that box. In B part, if you join P to Q, Q to R and R to P, it will make a triangle, and a triangle has 3 line segments. So you will write 3 in that box. And in C part of question number 3, when you join D to E, E to F, F to G, और what you can do, इस D को भी हम F से join कर सकते हैं, G को भी हम E से join कर सकते हैं, and we can join D to G. So how many line segments are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is 5th and this one is 6. So you have to write 6 in that box. Now let's take a quick revision. A, B, C are called as points. Straight line is which has no end points and no fixed length. It is made like this and denoted like this. Line segment, part of a line, 2 end points and fixed length. और हम line segment इस तरह से बनाते हैं and we denote like this. Then ray, 1 end point and no fixed length. Will make ray like this and denote like this. Now these introduction part you will do in your notebook, and question number 1, 2, 3 of exercise 16A you will do in your book only. Thank you.